Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your ESP module to IoT platform ThingSpeak, and that will be done through AT commands. Now before starting, I am assuming that you have AT commands firmware installed in your ESP. AT commands firmware comes by default installed with ESP. It is also assumed that you have set up your ThingSpeak channel and you have the 16-character long channel key. So if you are ready, I am ready, let's get started. First of all, let's have a look at circuit diagram. Other than connecting wire and the ESP module itself, all you'll need is an Arduino board, or if you have one you can use a USB to UART converter. So this is the diagram. Before making these connections, program your Arduino with the bare minimum code so that the Arduino doesn't interfere with the communication with the ESP. If you don't want to do this, simply remove the microcontroller from the board. ESP are 3.3 volts devices. Never try to interface your ESP directly with a 5 volts device like Arduino. Power the module using Arduino 3.3 volts supply. I encourage you to pause this video and set up your circuit first. Now that you have everything set up, connect your Arduino to the computer. Open the Arduino IDE and open the serial monitor. Now change the baud rate to 115,200 and then select both NL and CR. To check the connectivity, type AT in the serial monitor and press the send button. If you get an OK response, then everything is working fine. If you don't get any response, well, check your circuit connection. OK response means that we can proceed further. In order to connect to your Wi-Fi router, use this command. You will have to replace SSID with your Wi-Fi network name and password with your Wi-Fi password. If you type the command correctly, you will be presented with this response. This response means that your ESP is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Since our ESP is going to be talking to only ThingSpeak, we need only one connection. Therefore we use this command to disable multiple connections. It is a TCP command that is used to set connection mode, that whether you want a single connection or multiple connection. Our application is going to use single connection mode. Now this next command will connect you to ThingSpeak API using the TCP connection. The ATC IP start command establishes a TCP connection with the website URL you specify. The term AT signifies the port that is used for communication. As a response of this command, you should get a connect and a OK response. This connection will last only for 1 minute if no action takes place, therefore with the remaining command you will have to be very quick. Now that connection is set up, we can send the data to ThingSpeak. Use the command. It responds with OK and a greater than symbol. The greater than symbol means it is waiting for the next command. Immediately after this, send this command. You will replace the API key here with the 16-character API key that I talked about earlier and value with the value you want to send. You have now sent the value to the ThingSpeak server. Next, you need to close the connection using the command. You can now go to ThingSpeak and the channel to see that the value is shown there. With that being said, now you know how to send the data using the AT commands. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can convert these instructions into Arduino code so that you don't have to type it yourself. That's all in this video. I hope you have learned something new, and if you did, please like this video. Also consider subscribing to support my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.